Alright, so what are we doing today? We are tuning my Ferrari F12 Belinetta. As you guys can see, the check engine light was on. That's because I recently put on a full exhaust from the downpipes all the way back, to the mufflers, a full exhaust from FI. And while it does have like some high flow cats, it's pretty much a straight pipe. So check engine light came on, and luckily I had already ordered the tune from DME Tuning. So this is going to be a review of not only me putting the tune on, but we're going to check out how the tune performs on the F12. It's supposed to add, I think, like 30 or 40 horses, something crazy like that. So we are going to do that on the F12. I'm going to show you guys how I tune it. So I already did phase one, which was I had to connect the little tuning device to my OBD port, and I had to download the stock tune file. I sent it over to DME, and kudos to them, they sent me the tune file right back. So now I got to download the tune file to my tune device, and then I got to install the new tune file to the car. So let's hope it works. I'm gonna take you guys with me and show you how we do it. Then we'll take this thing for a test drive. Also, if we got time, I'm going to mod. The biggest thing that this car is missing from a spec perspective is it doesn't have a reverse camera. So I bought a reverse camera, and we're gonna try to put it on the car. Let's see how that works. I'll show you guys the kit that I bought. So if you need to add a reverse cam to your car, you could potentially do the same thing. All right, for those of you guys that have never seen me or my channel, my name is Will Motivation. I like to do videos sharing experiences owning supercars like this F12, like my Lamborghini Huracan, and my new Lamborghini Aventador, which is coming soon back to Ohio. Right now it's in California. Has some issues with it, but we'll talk about that a little bit later. All right, so here's the F12. Let's go inside the house. Let's download the new tune file to my handheld device, and then we'll install it on the car and see how it runs. All right, so this is my little home office. End user OBD2 programming device. So this is it's a DIM Sport tuner that DME Tuning sent me. These are the little instructions. So I got to follow that. I already did this. That was installing the software. This is the handheld tuner. So you use this device to tune the car. So you got to load the tune software onto this device that comes from DME. So there's these cables in here. Let me show you guys. There's some cables in here that you use to connect to the computer, and also that you use to connect to the vehicle. So we're gonna need these. Let me connect this thing up to the computer and we'll get started. Connect that to my computer. All right, so it lights up like that. And now I gotta fire up the software. You like that SV right there? It's my vision board. My computer screen is my vision board. So this is the software. So it starts talking to the device. Device says, okay. All right, initialize the communication. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna upload to my Genius. All right, so let's do this real quick, and I'll let you guys know if it works. All right, so we're ready to put this on the car. So I gotta attach this serial cable to the device, and then this is gonna attach it to the car through the OBD port. So I'll do that real quick, and then we'll go load up the tune. Connect this device to the OBD2 port. Turn the car on. My what do you call this? My controller for the exhaust was connected to the OBD2 port, so I had to disconnect that. Now we're gonna connect this. Let's see here. There it goes. This thing lit up immediately. Yep. Yep. Operation in progress. Here we go. Oh, snap. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, so I got a message saying that the slave ECU was correctly programmed. It's analyzing the log, I guess, to see if it really worked. And I guess it did. All right, so I believe now my Ferrari F12 Belinetta with the full straight pipe exhaust from F5 is now flashed or reprogrammed by DME tuning. All right, so we're getting ready to take it for a test drive. All right, let's go. All right, so here we go. We fire it up. Let me see here. Here we go. Now, I'm looking at my check engine light, see if it goes off. It went off. Good news. So, let me roll down the windows. That seemed like it got louder. Oh, man. All right, I just closed the valves. So, check engine light turned off. That's great news, because I had a check engine light on because of the exhaust. So the tune fixed that. So now let's see how the tune drives. We are in sport mode right now. So let me get out of my neighborhood, then I'll open the exhaust back up. All right, so let's see. Yeah, it feels a little more responsive. Oh man, here we go, DME tune on my F12. Let's see what it does. Let's hit it. Yo, I heard a couple of backfires. All right, so it definitely feels stronger. But I got a bunch of people in front of me, so I can't really hit it. All right, here we go. Here we go, here we go. Yo. All right, it's kind of crazy. That was a second gear pull. I came up on the traffic a little too fast. So let me see if I can get another opening. Here we go. Oh, it's like snappier. It's like a little snappier. All right, so mid-range. This tune is about the mid-range. That's where it's at. This tune is it's boosted the mid-range significantly. Nice little twisties. Get familiar with the tune. It's like mid-range. It's a mid-range tune, which is probably the smart thing to do with this car, because you add too much low end, the car will be sliding all over the place. And whoever that was, if you watched the video, what's up to you? Somebody just honked at me. Yo. Alright, 2 thumbs up for this tune. No check engine light due to the exhaust. But I would call this a mid-range performance tune. But this car gets up to 3,000 RPMs quick in first gear, so so far so good. Time to get something to eat. Boom blah. Alright, so we're gonna take a quick ride. We got Biggs. We got Courtney.
one and only, Floyd Money Mayweather. I'm here to tell you guys to go to Will Motivation. The exotic cars is crazy. I've been watching this show for a little while now and it's growing. But we need everybody else to subscribe to Will Motivation and support Will. I'm supporting them. You do the same.